Every morning he makes the 120-mile round trip to get water for the family. Grouse from all over the desert visit this oasis. There's safety in numbers. Using specially adapted breast feathers, he can soak up water like a sponge. Goshawk. Sand grouse here are their main prey. Again and again, the male sand grouse risk their lives in order to collect water for their chicks. This is why sand grouse nest so far from waterholes. At last, he's soaked up as much as he can. Carrying a quarter of his body weight in water, he can now set off on the long journey home. He's back, and just in time. He can give the chicks their first ever drink.